Hi, good evening, guys. I've got an analysis on USD CAD. I'm going to conduct a complete breakdown on this pair and to see if there is a trading opportunity for this week. So let's get started. I did share the analysis last week where I explained that we're expecting retracement on this pair, and the price did retrace his percent, and I'll explain that in a second. But let's get started on this. Monthly chart, we have a bullish momentum. As you can see, the price has been in a bullish trend, in a nice bullish trend. We had a huge engulfing candlestick that was Jan, that's Feb, and that's March. Since then, the price has been retracing higher. That's where the price is, and we are sitting at the moment above 1.3 to 50 levels, and that's important weekly support level here. Now, how do we see this? Moving average cross, as you can see, there's a moving average cross. Price found support at the EMA. So let's down on the weekly chart and try and understand where we are. Nice trend on the weekly chart. You can see the price has been in a decent bullish movement, and price retraces, and now the price is picking the momentum again. The price did retrace all the way to 1.331 before the price retraces again, and as long the price remains above 1.3250 levels, then our expectation is that the price will aim for 1.3650 at this monthly resistance level. So this is an important area, guys. Significantly important. Price remains above this. We are expecting the price to go higher. If the price breaches this, then I'm expecting the price to carry this momentum there. So weekly chart, moving average cross, moving average is acting as support here. Previous week, you had a huge engulfing candlestick. Normally, after these sort of candlesticks, you would expect the price to retrace first, form a higher low formation before the price continues going higher. And that's what the price is. We're expecting the price to go at 1.3650 levels on this. Adding confluences to this. Nice bullish trend. As you can see, the price taps at this trend line, but since it has been in a nice uptrend where price is making higher high formations and higher low formations, which confirms the bullish trend. This is a good trend. It's a trendy market because price has been not just trending higher, but also giving a decent retracements to 78.6. Here the retracement again around 78.6. Here the retracement was nearly 61.8. Again, another retracement to 61.8. So as you can see, the price found support at 1.3117, expecting the price to go higher onto 1.3660 levels. So as long the price remains above this, we're expecting the price to retrace before it continue higher. Now let's break it down further onto the daily chart. Now last week we did explain, I did mention in my analysis and the video on YouTube where I've gone through the analysis on USD CAD, I said that I will be expecting last week the price to retrace first before she takes the next move. Now that retracement can be to these levels. It's an important level because price is having a demand level there, as you can see, all of it. Price can even do retracement, deeper retracement, yet it's a bullish trend, and I would be expecting the price to find support, a higher low formation at some stage, and aim higher. That's what my expectation is. Now, we had a beginning Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, nice retracement to the downside for an easy 150 pips before the price. Thursday and Friday, you can see finding support there, as you can see there. Now the moving averages begin to act as support here. 8 EMA is, so it seems like the price is picking momentum and finding its higher low formation. There's always a possibility that the price will continue going higher, going further, deeper retracement before it picks. So keep an eye on this, that if the price breaks this level, it's not something that you'll be expecting the price to start selling on it. Rather, look for a higher low formation, because from the higher time frames, it's obviously clear, and I'm expecting the price to continue going higher on this. Now, let's get onto this. See if there's any significance here. Now, this is, again, a bearish flag formation. That's the pole, and that's the target I'm expecting on this. It looks good. That's one. Let's apply the Fibonacci's on this, and let's try and understand. Here the Fibonacci's are, you are in between 61.8 and 50%, which is a decent and significant level. You've got an EMA acting as support. You've got a bullish flag formation there. So you've got bullish flag formation. You've got this. So you've got the bullish flag formation. You've got, that's the pole. So that's the length. You've got EMAs acting as support here. You've got the prior demand supply level, which is acting as a demand level right now. That's significance. You've got 61.8 Fibonacci's there. So there's a lot of confluences. Also, you've got a decent bullish candlestick formation before a dodgy candlestick formation. The price is resisting now, and seems like the buyers are entering the market. So I'm expecting the price here to range and takes higher. That will be the first target at around 1.3470. If the price breaks this, then I'm expecting the price to carry on to 1.3690 levels. What if the price breaks this? If the price breaks this, and that's another option, don't sell it. It's bullish. I still will be expecting the price to find a higher low formation. Again, and I explained earlier, previously you've seen how the price has retraced numerous times to 78.6 and 88.6 before the price reversed. So if the price fails at 61.8 around these levels, then you can expect the price to do a bit of deeper retracement around these levels. So I'm expecting the price to go higher. First target at 1.3470, the next target 1.3550. That's what the targets are. If we break it down further, it's obviously clear from an H4 perspective that the price has formed a higher formation. If the price find a high low around these levels, and that will be your buying opportunity to the upside. Again, use this set analysis in line with your strategies, trading strategies, rules that governs your entries and exits, and also use this analysis with your market breakdown and try to understand and ascertain the market direction. Now, This is USD CAD. So let's look at the US dollar and try and understand as to how it looks like. Because if US dollar picks strength, then I would be expecting this pair to rise more aggressively. And that's where the US dollar is. I'm not going into depth on this, but a quick review on this. Price has been forming higher low formations, higher high formations, higher low formations, higher high formations. Retracement was due, as I explained in my previous lectures last week, that USD CAD will retrace, a dollar index will retrace, and exactly that what happened. Now the price sitting around these levels. Now these are the levels that you would be expecting the price to form some sort of bullish price action before it reverse. If that reversal took place, then I will be expecting USD CAD to rise more aggressively. So it aligns, this technical analysis on DXY, the dollar index aligns with the analysis on USD CAD, which add fuels to directional bias, which is bullish. So that is the analysis on USD CAD. Use this video to learn how to do a top-bottom analysis, how to read the price action. It's a great learning opportunity. And if you have any question, you can always respond back to ask these questions on either YouTube or TradingView. Thank you very much.